Good morning!
This annual event has become a highlight for us as we come together to learn, to grow, and unlock the boundless opportunities of I Am Worldwide has to offer.
This year's theme is all about growth and empowerment, which is why events like this are at the heart of our success.
Ano ba yung vision? Ito yung your ability to see the invisible and believe that it is possible. Ang tao daw dapat merong vision. Kasi pag walang vision, walang progress.
Naniniwala ba kayo na bibigyan po tayo ng ating Panginoon ng treasure? But the question is, are we focusing on that which is permanent or that which is temporary?
I am worldwide! Whoa!
I am worldwide! I am worldwide School of Wisdom! Let's go!
Pag in-apply daw natin yung katotohanan, hindi daw tayo mapapahamak sa buhay. Lagi po natin tandaan, lahat nagsisimula sa sarili natin.
Be in health, just as your soul. Responsibility mo ang katawan mo.
Kaya tinawag itong I am School of Wisdom kasi yung wisdom, ito yung application. Naway, pag uwi nyo dito, maging wisdom sa inyo ito.
I am worldwide School of Wisdom!
Katulad ninyo, nag-start lang din ako na mangarap. At dahil nangarap po tayo, nagkaroon tayo ng result. Ng greater things, kailangan daw, we need to make sacrifices in the present. Para mangyari yon, kailangan natin ng tamang disiplina.
Madali lang naman kailangan lang po marunong tayong mag-share. Kailangan lang po laging may nakakakita na ginagamit natin yung produkto.
Hindi lang tayo bebenta ng produkto para kumita ng pera. We should always be an ambassador to change lives of the people for the better. That's why I choose I Am Worldwide every day.
A lot of people, they want a road to success like that flat line. Hindi na naintindihan na in order for us to be successful, God needs to mold us.
If you are persistent, you will get it. If you are consistent, you will keep it.